got it.
Hello traders and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Kathy Rankin, and for Wednesday, February 27th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, and unfortunately, there's not a lot of top movers to watch out for today. I'm sorry guys, it wasn't a great day on Wall Street. In our headline news, stocks suffered their worst losses since just after September 11th, 2001, when the terror attacks occurred. Prompted by a huge sell-off in China's stock market, higher oil prices, and some disappointing economic news. The Dow Jones Industrials, briefly down as much as 545 points, finished the day off 416 points, or nearly 3.3%, to 12,217. The Nasdaq Composite Index plunged more than 96 points, or 3.9%, to 2,408, and the Standard & Poor's 500 Index tumbled about 50 points, or 3.44%, to just under 1,400, its lowest in nearly 3 months. The market decline wiped out all of the year's gains for the Dow and the S&P 500. The sell-off was made worse because computers controlling orders to the New York Stock Exchange couldn't keep with all the business. The decline was the biggest point loss for the Dow since September 20th, 2001, when the blue chip index fell 383 points, or 4.4%, to 8,376. The biggest point loss ever, nearly 685 points, occurred 3 days earlier when markets reopened after 9/11. Today's Dow loss was also the biggest percentage decline since the index fell 3.67% on March 24, 2003, just before the United States invaded Iraq. The Nasdaq's point loss was its biggest since it fell 116 points on September 17, 2001, the day the markets reopened. So, this begs the question, is this the correction we've been talking about? It could be, and it has been long expected by many on Wall Street, yet technically the market is slightly less than halfway to a correction, which is defined as a pullback of 10% in a major average. The Dow has now fallen nearly 4.5% since hitting a closing high of 12,786.64 on February 20th. At the same time, it was up more than 19% from lows of last July. The Nasdaq is down 4.6% from hitting a high of 2,524.94 on February 22nd. The market decline may continue for several days before a bottom sets in perhaps early next week, many traders are thinking. But many money managers and traders insisted the sell-off was not a warning that the U.S. economy was about to plunge into a recession. So stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for your current updates to this hectic trading day, and be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Kathy Rankin. Hopefully we'll see a better day tomorrow, and we'll see you on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.